Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Casa Grande GS Infinity, which is located in Attapur, Hyderabad, a project developed by Casa Grande Builders. And today we'll be doing the project overview of this project, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding and the neighborhood of the project. So on my right hand side is the land parcel of the project where the construction work is in progress. And now about the marketing offices just on my left hand side over here, where there is the model flat and the 3D model of the project. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 4.8 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 elegant towers, with each tower of 3 basement, ground plus 35 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and this project is located on 100 feet road of Attapur in Hyderabad, and this road will take you towards Karvan Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, 10 minutes away from APPA Junction ORR. Airport is 25 minutes away, Zoe Hospital is 4 minutes away from the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 100 plus world-class amenities like of, let me show you through this miniature. Here's the kids play area, multi-purpose court, 41,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with rooftop swimming pool, garden area and many more amenities in this project. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 3 BHK, 4 BHK and exclusive 5 BHK premium residencies. 3 BHK is 2386 square feet, 4 BHK is 2961 square feet and 5 BHK is 3915 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme. We'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Casa Grande GS Infinity, which is located in Attapur, Hyderabad, a project developed by Casa Grande Builders.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.